I know what it's like to live in a rural place a long way from anything, with not many opportunities and not many jobs. The market doesn't really work here. The state increasingly doesn't have any money here. If someone else doesn't do something, then the place just kind of quietly gets worse and worse. Onion Collective is a social enterprise, and we work across regeneration in kind of environmental, social, cultural justice. East Quay is this bit of land just outside the office, and it was supposed to be sold off for housing development, essentially. Council wanted to raise some money and they tried to sell it into the private market. And Watch didn't really like that idea. And then the kind of 2008 crash happened and the market didn't really like that idea anymore. And we wanted to find another way to keep that space in community ownership and not have it end up just as kind of holiday flats that didn't add anything to the community here. So we kind of, got together and thought, well, fine, let's see if we can raise some money and let's see if we can do some work on this. And that was 8 years ago now, and it's finally being built. So it will have a big gallery, a paper mill, a print studio, a geology lab, about 10 workshops and studios for young makers and social enterprises, a restaurant, and the kind of thing that, you might get on the South Bank in London.
When we were starting to, talk about our mycelium insulation online and, started to, tell the world that we're ready to start commercializing this product, we then received an email from the Onion Collective and we met, and it was like the perfect marriage. Since then, we've been, working together. We've raised almost £700,000 to set up the production facility to progress the plastic research, and we're currently building the facility together. And it's a really, really exciting way of showing how, industry is not separate to community, government, academia. We need to integrate all those different parts to really have a step change, especially at a time of climate crisis.
This is a community biomanufacturing facility, so there's huge amounts of community involvement, and this is all about social justice, it's all about cultural justice, it's all about what's right for here now and taking our history and our heritage and turning it into something that's fit for the future, and will provide jobs and that sense of pride again that the paper mill did so beautifully for so many years.